Hi, the doctor's in. I'm Dr. LB, and I'm here to help you through your math difficulties. Today, we're going to solve linear systems by the substitution method. So, how does this work? So, you're going to be given a system with two equations. So, you want to solve either equation for one of the variables. Doesn't matter which one you pick equation-wise, and it does not matter which variable you pick. Substitute the expression that you got into the other equation. Solve the equation that now contains one variable. Use back substitution into one of the original equations to find the value of the other variable. And then you can check your solution. Now, if you're confident in your work, you may not need to check solutions, but it's always a good practice. So let's look at an example. We have x plus 3y equals 8 and y equals 2x minus 9. So we have two equations. We want to solve one equation for one of the variables. Well, it is already set up that we have an expression for y. So we're going to take this expression and we're going to put it into the other equation. So what we'll have is x plus 3. In the place of y, I'm going to put my 2x minus 9 equals 8. So what I have created is an equation in one variable, and I should be able to solve for x. So let's do that. We have x plus 6x minus 27 equals 8. So we have 7x. If we add 27 to both sides, we have 35. So we can divide by 7, and x equals 5. So now I go back to one of my original equations and I solve for y. Y is going to be 2 times our x that we found of 5 minus 9. So that's 10 minus 9, which is 1. So our solution set contains the point 5, 1. Now if you're using a computer-aided system to do your assignments in, you need to put an ordered pair with parentheses around it. It's not an ordered pair if it doesn't have parentheses around it. Let's look at another one. We want to solve by substitution here. We have y is negative 1/2 x plus 2 and y is 3/4 x plus 7. So here I can take this expression for y and put it here. So what I have is negative 1/2 x plus 2 equals 3/4 x plus 7. Now when you're solving equations and you have fractions, you can get rid of them. If I look at 2, this denominator of 2 and the denominator of 4, the least common multiple is 4. So I'm going to multiply every term by 4. So 4 times 1/2 is negative 2x. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3/4 is 3. Bring down my x. And 4 times 7 is 28. So if I take my negative 2x over and add it, I have 5x. If I bring my 28 over, it becomes negative. I have negative 28 plus 8, which is negative 20. So x here is going to be negative 4. And then I need to find my y. I'm going to go here. Y is 3/4 times negative 4 plus 7, which is negative 3 plus 7, which is 4. So my solution set contains the point negative 4, 4. Let's look at another one. We have x equals 9 minus 2y equals x plus 2y equals 13. So I take this expression for x and I'll put it into the second equation. So I have 9 minus 2y plus 2y equals 13. The negative 2y and positive 2y cancel, and I have 9 equals 13. So if you notice in this situation, all of my variables went away, and I am left with a false statement. When this is the case, you have a set of parallel lines that don't intersect. Therefore, you have no solution. And you can display no solution as a 0 with a slash, and this is representation for the empty set. Means the same thing as no solution. Let's look at another one. We have y equals 3x minus 5 and 21x minus 35 equals 7y. So I put this expression in for y. I have 21x minus 35 equals 7 times 3x minus 5. So 21x minus 35 equals 21x minus 35. So everything cancels, and I have 0 equals 0, which is a true statement. So in this situation, you're going to have infinitely many solutions. And here you will find that the lines will coincide. So what is our solution set? It's going to be the set of all ordered pairs x, y such that y equals 3x minus 5. This is our solution. Let's talk about this. The set of all, so this is the set notation of all points x, comma, y. This vertical line means such that, and then you pick either one of these equations, any one of the original equations to put here. Doesn't matter which one, such that y equals 3x minus 5. That is our solution. So that was just a little bit about solving by substitution. So remember that Dr. LB is always in. Please come back for more math help.